So nothing bad happened? You didn't wreck it? You didn't hit anybody? You didn't run anybody over? You didn't get a speeding ticket? Wait, Jeffy, why are you making that face? Jeffy, did you get a speeding ticket? Jeffy, did you get a speeding ticket? Did you? Yes or no? Say yes or no.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Say yes if you did or no if you didn't.
Yes if you did, no if you didn't.
Jeffy, did you get a speeding ticket or not?
I did not.
You promise?
I promise.
Why'd you put your hand behind your back?
Because I'm sticking my fingers in my butt, see?